I'm proud to announce that Mastin Labs Fujicolor Original is now available for Capture One. Prized for clean skin tones and vivid three-dimensional color, this is the pack that established the light and airy look that redefined an industry. Coveted by professional photographers, Mastin Labs styles are at the center of a streamlined 3-click workflow and custom Capture One workspace. Light and airy, Fuji 400H is loved by wedding and family photographers for its natural skin tones and fine art look. Fuji 400H Blue tames neon yellow greens from harsh sun to give you the cooler greens you enjoy. Neutral and balanced, Fuji 160NS is favored by portrait photographers for its smooth transition from highlights to shadows, clean skin tones, and fine grain. Pretty in pink, Fuji 800Z introduces pink tones into the highlights, creating a dreamlike colorscape in your photography. Our flagship pack, Fujicolor Original, now available for Capture One.